Dear friends, I welcome you all for Prasad Math Academy. Today we are going to learn about polynomials. So, in this video, we are going to see about polynomials in one variable. What are the coefficient, constant polynomial, zeros of a polynomial, which are not polynomial. Okay, so many things we are going to learn. So we'll see one by one. So first of all, what is a polynomial? For example, if you consider a square, how we can write its to find the area if it is square. Okay, so if its side is x, yes, so what is its area? Area is x square. So okay, so if it is a rectangle, if its side is x and y, how we can write its perimeter, that is 2 into x plus y. So first of all, what is a polynomial? Polynomial is an expression which can include constant terms and variables. Okay, so any expression which has variable and constant term, for example x plus 2, it is a polynomial. Okay, so it is an expression. For example, x is a variable and 2 is a constant term, so this is a polynomial. So similarly, you can write 2x square plus x plus 2, so it is also a polynomial. Okay, so polynomial is what? It is a combination of variables and constant terms which are connected by plus or minus. So first we are going to learn polynomials in one variable. Okay, so polynomials in one variable is what? It is an expression which has only one variable. For example, x plus 2, it is a polynomial in one variable. Okay, 2x plus 5, it is a polynomial in one variable. Yes, so you can see give many examples which have polynomials in one variable. So if it is two variable, means it is 2x plus y. Here it will come two variables. So we are learning about polynomials in one variable. Okay, so next, what is a coefficient? If you take any polynomial, in that we have coefficients, constant terms. Okay, so for example, if you consider any polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus 10, in this you can see coefficient, right? So here coefficient means coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square, which is in this we have three terms, right? In this expression we have three terms, which is that three terms. One is constant term, one is 5x, one more is 2x square. So if I want to find the coefficient of x square, so you have to go for 2, that is 2x square term. So in that, coefficient of x square will be the coefficient of 2x square is 2. So you have to say only numerical number, that is 2. Coefficient of x square is 2. Okay, if you want coefficient of x, it will be of x is, it is 5. Okay, so in this way you can write coefficient. Next we can see that is constant. Okay, so 2x plus 5, in this polynomial we have constant term, that is 5, because its value does not change, that is why it is called constant term. Okay, yes, it is a constant. And 2x, what here? It is a term, but its value varies. 2x value varies with value change in the value of x. Okay, varies with x. Okay, so for example, if 2x value is 1, its value is 2. If x value is 5, its value will come, 2x value will become 10. So that is why it is a variable term. Okay, 2x is a variable and 5 is a constant term. Okay, so this is about polynomial and in that coefficient and constant terms. Okay, now next is constant polynomial. Okay, so what is a constant polynomial? Constant polynomial, yes. So constant polynomial is, for example, you can say number 5. It is also polynomial. Here the value of 5 does not change, change. Means here the variable is there, but it is there in the form of x raised to 0. If value of x is changes, but 5x raised to 0 will not change. So its value will be always 5. That is why it is called as constant polynomial. Example for constant polynomial, you can give any number. So minus 5 is also constant polynomial. Minus 2 is also constant polynomial. 0 is also constant polynomial. And 1, 5, any number you can say they are the constant polynomial because its value does not change. Okay, that is they are the constant polynomial. Next we have about the zeros polynomial. Zero polynomial, right? So what is the zero polynomial? So it is a constant polynomial. Zero polynomial is what? It is a constant polynomial. The value, the number 0, that is 0 is called as zero polynomial. Okay, zero polynomial. Yes, these are the zero polynomial. Okay, which is a zero polynomial? The number 0 is only a zero polynomial. Okay, I hope you understood what is a zero polynomial. Okay, yes. Next we are going to see about which are not polynomial. Okay, so polynomial you can say this 2x plus 10, it is a polynomial. 3x square plus x plus 5, it is also polynomial. 4x square minus x plus 6, it is a polynomial. x cube plus x square plus 2x minus 10, it is also polynomial, right? So these are the polynomial. Then how to identify which are not polynomial? For example, if you consider polynomial root x plus 1, it is not a polynomial because the power of the variable here in this polynomial, it is not a polynomial. In this expression, the value power of the variable is, if you remove the root, it will be if you convert the root into written in another way, that is x raised to 1 by 2, it will become x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1. So the power of the variable here, it is half. So this is not a polynomial. Again you can say 1 upon x square plus x plus 5. This is also not a polynomial because when you write 1 upon x square in numerator, it will become x raised to minus 2 plus x plus 5. That is why it is also not polynomial. What is the condition for which are not polynomial? The here polynomial, the power of the variable, power of a variable should be a whole number. Power of variable should be a whole number. Okay, whole number it should be. Then only you can say they are the polynomial. Here the power of the variable is half. It is not a whole number. So that is why this is not a polynomial. In this expression x raised to minus 2, its power is negative number. Okay, so that is why it is also not a polynomial. You can give again x raised to minus 3, 2x plus 5. This is also not a polynomial because the power of the variable is negative. So if the power of the variable is not a whole number, then you can say that it is not a polynomial. Okay, so I hope you understood. You can say which are polynomial and which are not polynomial. Okay, the power of the variable should be a whole number in the polynomial. Otherwise, if its power is not a whole number, then they are not a polynomial. Okay, yes. So this is about a polynomial and not polynomial. So now polynomials, we can denote the polynomial as, for example, if for whatever it is, how you are going to represent some of the members, like by calling their names, right? So for example, Pawan, if anyone from my friend is there, I will represent him as a Pawan. So same way, 2x plus 5, it is a polynomial, so we will represent as p of x. So polynomial is represented by a p of x. So why it is x? So which is variable, that will be taken here in the bracket. So p of x, it is 2y plus 10. So we can represent p of y, or we can also represent q of y. Yes, in this way, or r of y, in this way we can represent the polynomial. It is denoted as this. We can write in the p of x equal to 2x plus 5. So in this way you can denote the polynomial. Next is degree of the polynomial. Okay, so degree of the polynomial is, for example, if you take any polynomial, so 2x plus 6, okay, and 3x square minus 5x plus 1, then 2x. So you can, and also you can take constant polynomial. Yes, that is 5, 6, whatever you can take. So your degree of the polynomial is, it is highest power of the variable. What is the degree of the polynomial? It is the highest power of the variable. Power of the variable is called as degree of a polynomial. Is called as degree of a polynomial. Okay, yes. Now in this polynomial 2x plus 6, the power of the variable is here nothing is there, it has 1 here. Okay, the power of the variable is 1, so that is the highest power. So therefore degree of the polynomial is 1. Okay, so here the highest power of the variable is 2, that is x square. So here degree is, we can write 2. Okay, so if degree here 2x in this polynomial, this is also polynomial. Okay, here the power of the variable is, that is 1, so again degree is 1. So in the constant polynomial, okay, these 5 and 6, any number, so which are constant polynomial, what is its degree? So instead of 5 we can write it as 5 into x raised to 0, means 5 into y x raised to 0 means anything raised to 0 is 1. So the degree of the constant polynomial, degree of constant polynomial is, it is 0. Okay, degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Okay, and you can ask the 0 polynomial also. Okay, so 0 polynomial, the number 0 is called 0 polynomial. What is its degree? Okay, for this actually the degree is not defined. Okay, degree is not defined. Okay, so degree of 0 polynomial is not defined, but number, that is 5, 6, 7, minus 2, whatever, the degree is 0, because here 0 into anything we can take, x square also we can write, x also we can write, or you can write x raised to 0 also you can write. That is why degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Okay, so this is about the degree of a polynomial. Next, we are going to see classification of polynomial based on the degree. Okay, classification of polynomial based on degree. Okay, so we are going to classify the polynomials based on degree. So if degree is 1, if degree is 1, we are going to call it as, the polynomial is said to be, polynomial is called as, polynomial is a linear polynomial. So already you know in 8th standard, linear equation in one variable. Okay, so linear means 1, that is why the polynomial is called linear polynomial. When it is called linear polynomial, if its degree is 1. Okay, so you can say example 2x plus 5, it is a linear polynomial. Okay, because its degree is 1. Yes, so standard form of writing a linear polynomial is, you can say ax plus b. Okay, ax plus b is a linear polynomial where a and b are numbers and x is a variable. Okay, yes. Next is, if degree is 2, if degree is 2, the polynomial is said to be, the polynomial is quadratic. What is that? If degree is 2, then polynomial is called is quadratic polynomial. Okay, it is a quadratic polynomial. Example 2x square minus 6x plus 8. So this is the quadratic polynomial. Here degree of the highest degree is 2, so that is why it is called quadratic. Quadratic means its degree will be 2. Okay, so standard form of writing quadratic polynomial, you can say that is ax square bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers and x is a variable. Yes, yes. Next is degree is 3. Then the polynomial is called as what we can call it is cubic polynomial. Okay. Yes, we are going to say it is a cubic polynomial. Yes. So when degree is 3, we can say it is cubic polynomial. Example, you can say x cube 6x square minus 5x plus 10. This is a cubic polynomial. Here degree is 3. Okay, degree highest power of the variable is 3. So it's a cubic polynomial. Now, standard form writing cubic polynomial is you can say ax cube bx square plus cx plus d. Again, a, b, c and d belongs to real numbers and x is a variable. Okay, so this is the classification of polynomials depend upon its degree. Okay, once again I will repeat. If degree is 1, we can call it as linear. If degree is 2, we can call it as quadratic. If degree is 3, we can call it as cubic polynomial. Okay, in class 9, we are going to learn up to sorry cubic, we are going to learn up to degree 3, so that is cubic polynomial. Okay, so you've seen also how we can write its standard form. Okay, ax plus b, ax square plus bx plus c, and last cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So in this way we can write standard form of a polynomial. Now if degree is n, okay, a polynomial whose degree is n, so how we can write its standard form, how we can write the expression for a polynomial whose degree is n. So here it is already written here, that is if degree is n, here an x raised to n, so degree of this variable is n, so here an is a real number, an minus 1, a3, whatever it is, all these are belongs to real numbers. Okay, and here an is not equal to 0, it is not equal to 0. Okay, so in this way you can write an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1. So in this way you can write standard form of polynomial whose degree is 1. Again a1 x1 x raised to 1, then a naught. Okay, so this is the expression of polynomial whose degree is n. Okay, yes, and also you can see the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Degree of 0 polynomial is not defined, it is given here. Okay, so in this way you can learn about polynomials and its constant polynomial and which are not polynomials and degree of the polynomial, and you can answer the following questions. Okay, so in exercise 2.1 we are going to see how we can solve the questions. Okay, exercise 2.1. So which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State the reasons for your answer. Okay, so we are going to answer here which are polynomial and which are not polynomials. Okay, so 4x square plus 3x plus 7, so it is in one variable and power of the variable is whole number, so it is a polynomial. Okay, it is in one variable. And here y square plus root 2, y square plus root 2, it is also polynomial. Yes, because y square power of the variable is 2, so root 2 is a constant here. Okay, it is constant term, so here variable is not there. Okay, it is there variable, but it is there in the form of y raised to 0. Okay, so the power of the variable is whole number, so you can say it is a polynomial. Okay, next one, here variable is t. Yes, but when you write this one in other way, t raised to 1 upon 2 it will become, then this one t root 2. So here the power of the variable is half, therefore it is not a polynomial. Okay, so next one, y plus 2, y plus 2 upon y, it is also not a polynomial. Okay, so this one, it is a polynomial, but it is in 3 variable. Okay, so we are learning about only in one variable. So only first and second, they are the polynomial in one variable. Okay. Yes. Third one is also, no, it is a polynomial, but it is not in one variable. Here three variables are there: x, y, t. Okay. Yes. Next, we are going to write the coefficient of x square. Next question is, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Okay. So you are going to write the coefficient of x square. Yes. We are going to see only two sums here. So question number 1, that is 2 in that first one. So coefficient of x square in question number 1, you can see. So coefficient of x square term is here, and what is its number here? That is 1. Nothing is there here, means it has 1. So coefficient of x square is 1. Okay. So you can see in question number 2, third one, we are going to write coefficient of x square in that. So you can see that term pi by 2 into x square, it is there. So coefficient of x square in pi by 2 x square is, that is pi by 2. Coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Okay. Yes. So this is about the coefficient. Okay. Next, question number 3. Okay. So question number 3, give one example each of the polynomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. So we are going to write example, polynomial of degree 35 and binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. So question number 3, we can write the answer here. So we have to write binomial. Okay. So it should be binomial. For example, x plus 2. It is a binomial. Okay. Yes. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Yes. In the same way, polynomial. Monomial means which has only one term. If an polynomial contains only one term, we can call it as monomial. If it contains two terms, we can call it as binomial. If it is contain three terms, we can call it as trinomial. If it is if it is one or more, then if it is one or more terms, then we can call it as polynomial. Okay. So now question number 3, we are going to write binomial of degree 35. Yes. So it is a binomial. Only thing you have to make its degree 35. So x is there, you have to write its degree 35. X is to 35 plus 2. So it is a binomial of degree 35. Yes. This is a binomial of degree 35. Same way, we are going to write monomial of degree 100. So take any variable, you can take x. So you make it degree as 100. So this is monomial of degree 100. So this is an example of degree 35 and degree 100. Okay. Next one. Yes. So here we are going to classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic. Okay. So you already know linear means whose degree is 1, quadratic means whose degree is 2, and cubic means whose degree is 3. Okay. So linear, here quadratic, here cubic. Okay. So you can see very simple question. First one, it is x square plus x. Okay, x square plus x. Its degree is what? 2. So it will be in quadratic. Question number 1, it is a x square plus x. It is a quadratic. What about second question? X minus x cube. So what is the power of the variable? That is 3. So it is cubic polynomial, x minus x cube. What about third one? It is, you can see its degree is 2. So it will be a quadratic, 5 plus y square plus 4. Okay. And fourth one, it is 1 plus x. So here you can see the power of the variable is 1. So it is a linear. Okay. Linear polynomial. So in this way you can answer the remaining 3 questions. You can make a table and write in that. Okay. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. In this way we can simplify the exercise 5.2.1. Okay. So I hope you understood. Please watch and hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.